Okay guys, got the new Milsig build here. We got the Home Defense 24 ASA, the Home Defense 24 on off, the AR Tactical 9 CI tank, coming out at 1100 PSI. She's all set up. I haven't even aired her up yet. She's aired up. No leaks. Let's see how it works. I got the 10 gram AR Tactical joules rounds loaded up. No idea where this sight's at. It looks like it's gonna hit in there. Well, I don't think that was supposed to happen. 380. There we go. 380. 386. Oh man. Mag is sticking. .342. Click. Well, we had some type of malfunction there. Go ahead and degas. 1000 PSI left. Doesn't look like we got a jam or anything. Fill it back up. Okay. Triple zero. 256. .238. Yeah, we're out of air. Working out the little bit of kinks, but you guys should have seen how nasty this thing was. It was absolutely disgusting. Gunk, rust, just nasty. It's just coming along a little bit better now. Thanks guys. It's a good one.